Hands-on.
Fun.
It was cool. First time. Awesome and engaging.
Today it's like an introduction day for mainly children from our partner companies like ABB, from parents working at ABB, and they just make the first experience with some technical jobs, and maybe if they catch interest in the future, maybe they probably are interested to sign up for an apprenticeship with us.
ABB is believing in inspiring young minds early on, and we want to that they experience the potential of technology and that they see what they can contribute to the future.
It only is a success if all businesses participate in such a day, and of course for us it's a huge chance to also contribute and to tell them what we're doing.
They can see, they can experience, they can touch it, they can feel it. I think this is something they won't forget.
Today, the first thing we made is like a puzzle with blocks and some metal. It's where you have to get these two on the same string, so this should be here. And it's really hard. I've been trying for 40 minutes.
It's cool to make things with the hands. And we did a lot of soldering and working with cables.
I hope that they will get curious about what ABB is doing as a technology leader, and I also hope that they will be inspired by the variety of job opportunities they have, and I truly hope that they also get a bit of a feeling of what kind of caring, modern and attractive culture we have.
I would design a robot that would play games with you.
Well, I would invent one to pick up trash in the forest and stuff like that. I would make a small one around my wee big, and then it had a small button and you could press it and you can make a bunker. So during earthquakes you could sit in there and I can just chill now, and it's the best hide and seek spot.
I think it was very heartwarming to see how engaged they were, how curious they were, and really eager to learn something. I think I'm very much looking forward to this next generation.